Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you guys how I do my lips. Like, there are so many questions. I did my lips, I have not did my lips. Like, you guys can see my lips are like this. So to make my lips look bigger and fuller, what I usually do is I usually scrub my lips. So I'm going to use the, which is this, the Sea Secret lip scrub, which looks like this. So it's like a sugar scrub. You really need to just scrub your lips really well. For 2 to 3 seconds. This is really sweet. So it removes all the dirt skin. Just going to take a wet tissue paper and I'm just going to exfoliate. Like, you guys can see, it made my lips so red. Yeah. Once I'm done with that, so guys, I know this part is looking really funny, but what you guys gonna need is a cup like this. Like, this is my foundation bottles cup, Kylie Jenner hack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this on my mouth like so. I know this looks really messy, but they really work. So now that I'm done with this and you guys can see the instant change on my lips. So for filling my lips, first I'm going to use this lip liner. I don't know from which brand it is, but this is really a perfect nude. I really love this. So I'm just going to fill my lips. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to go with a lipstick. Okay, so because my eyes are really dramatic, so I want really nude kind of lips. So for that, I'm going to use Wi-Fi by Huda Beauty. Apply this on my lips. So once we are done with that, you guys can see the difference on my lips. So if you want a little bit of shine and more glossy or puffy kind of look, for that I'm going to use the Huda Beauty lip stroke in Angelic. I'm going to put it a little bit like on the center of my lips, like in here and in here. I'm blended with my fingers. And yeah, that's it. That's all, and I hope you guys like it and found it helpful. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.